Thank you everyone for clicking on that link. I am very grateful that you took time to watch my explanation of my output. I choose Raindrop by Ali because it reminds me that even the smallest things like raindrop can have a big impact in our lives. It also encouraged me to pay attention to the details of our surroundings. And here's what I am hoping that you'll find useful when you read my output. First is happy because it reminds us of our childhood memories. Secondly is reflection and insights because it explores the emotional impact of raindrops, encourage us to reflect on our own experience rain with rain and consider the ways in which it affects our moods and perspectives. And thank you once again, and I would like to recommend Maria Ermina Denisa C. Lucania's output and Maria Chael D. Gonzaga. Their outputs are equally interesting as well. Thank you.